Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're exploring a learning method inspired by London's iconic black cabs. You know that feeling, right? Trying to learn a language from a super dry, abstract textbook.
But what if learning felt less like a test and way more like, well, a real experience?
Well, one method does just that. It reframes the whole learning environment into an immersive playroom.
And this whole philosophy, it's really built on two core pillars: creative labs and storytelling.
Okay, so first up, let's dive into what these hands-on creative labs are all about.
Basically, they're workshops where you get to learn language through actual, real hands-on activities.
And the activities can be anything, really, from cooking and baking to even photography projects.
What's cool is they're tailored for all ages. Kids might draw monsters, adults could do photo projects.
And you're not just stuck in a classroom. Learning happens in kitchens, parks, authentic places. All right, let's get to that second pillar, storytelling. This is where it all really connects. Storytelling is all about using your own stories to connect language directly to emotion and culture. Because the core idea here is so powerful. When you feel something, you remember it. So for grown-ups, this might mean sharing important life stories, dreams, or powerful memories. For kids, it's often a comforting way to wrap up a fun, active session, maybe with a storybook. And here's a perfect example of how the two pillars connect in just one cooking session. You see how it flows? You start with a hands-on task, then move naturally into a discussion. So the big takeaway, this approach cuts down on anxiety and really pumps up motivation. The whole point is to make language feel natural and useful, not like it's just stuck in a book. It really turns language learning into a tool for creativity and just expressing who you are. And it kind of leaves you with this one big thought. What if all learning could feel this way?